Hi, my name is Nikki Krakowski,
Hello, my name is Jonathan Kay,
and we're both Biomedical Engineering Master of Engineering students at Cornell University.
and we'll show you around the design studios.
What I find inspiring about Cornell Engineering is the connection to clinicians. Through the clinical preceptorship, I was able to observe over 50 hours of orthopedic surgery, which gave a greater perspective on developing medical devices.
With the upcoming year, I look forward to clinical shadowing and prototyping my M.Eng project, where through shadowing I'll have the opportunity to better understand the medical device I'm working on and better tailor it to the clinicians using it.
I believe students should attend this program because it provides an industry-like experience through the design project, and it brings industry perspectives for students to determine what role is most suited towards their interests.
I believe students should attend this program for the extensive amount of resources and support that we get, including this new BME Design Studio. This is the collaborative space that we have for students to do work together, as well as we occasionally have guest speakers give lectures.
This is the space where we do our group work. All of the different design teams can go to the different pods and do different meetings on the computers as well. And we also have a kitchen where we all have lunch.
This is our prototyping lab where we work collaboratively together as a team to either do robotic testing, benchtop testing, as well as where we give our end of year showcase, presenting our project, as well as interacting with their peers and getting an idea of what they've worked on.
So we're currently in the additive manufacturing space where we do rapid prototyping. Behind me here are the 3D printers that we use, and over there are the resin printers. Thank you for joining us on our tour. We hope you enjoyed. Please check us out on our website or any of our social media. We love being biomedical engineering students here at Cornell, and we hope you join us.